There are multiple buttons and features that are important to be familiar with on your iPad. So in this video, I will be showing you the iPad layout. To turn on your device, either press the home button located on the top right corner or tap the screen. To sign into your device, you can either log in with your passcode, or if you've set it up, you can use your fingerprint. Once you're in, you will see your dock with all of your apps. Located on the upper right are the volume buttons. And located on the right side is where you can charge and connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. And of course at the bottom is where you have your USB-C charging port.